Everybody students, I am Risalat. So let's talk about add mask on multiple views. We're gonna run this application in this shown this we're gonna show this mask on a single view. In my previous video, you learn about how we can add mask on a UI view, one view at a time. Okay, one view at a time. So in this tutorial, I will show you how we can handle or add mask on multiple views. Mask on multiple views simultaneously. So let's dive into it. We're gonna open your mask view controller. This is a mask view controller. Okay. In this, we're gonna firstly we will create on this frame, and we're gonna pass on this frame in this init. Okay. Pass on this frame and frame. Okay. So first of all, we're gonna create on this next frame. So we will multiple subviews frame into the mask view controller, and then we will add rect based on the multiple frames. So we're going to create on this frame another frame second, which is type of CG rect. Okay, now we're going to pass on this frame second, and we're going to pass on this initializers. Okay, so we're going to initialize in this frame. So self dot second frame is equal to second frame. Okay, frame second. Okay, no, we're gonna create on this frame. This is a add rounded rect. We're gonna pass on this frame. We're gonna pass on this multiple frames. So we're gonna pass on this another frame. This is a frame second. Okay, pass on the frame second, and all code is same. This we're gonna add on this view and shape. See a shape layer. We're gonna apply background color, pass. We're gonna pass and shape dot view dot layer mask shape and view dot clip down in this mask view controller. Okay. In this mask controller, we're gonna alpha. We're gonna apply 0.4 alpha, and this is dynamic height design controller, and we're gonna add on this. Suppose this is a mask. Okay. Suppose this is a car frame. We're gonna run this application. We can pass on this. Suppose this is a truck frame, and this is a common initializers view controller. We're gonna create on the instance of mask view controller, which are calling on this frame first and second. Suppose this is frame first is car frame, and second is truck frame. Okay, not truck frame. We're gonna run this applications and show on this multiple frame. Okay, show on this multiple mask in a view. Okay, so in this tutorial I will show you how we can handle or add most on multiple views simultaneously. So thank you for watching this video. You can enjoy my channel and like my videos and share my videos.